Myself, Dr. Ramchandra Gore. I am from Department of Botany, Walchand College of Arts and Science, Solapur. And my topic is trees of Balaghat ranges of Maharashtra, India. The geographically Balaghat ranges are the part of the vast tract of the Deccan Plateau of India. It lies in the basins of river Manjra and its tributary like Terna, Bori, Tiru, Manyad and Lendi, etc. It occupies an area about 18,111.34 square kilometer. It spread over in Beed, Usmanabad, Latur and Ahmednagar districts respectively. The climatic conditions are mainly dry and moderately extreme in the Balaghat ranges of Maharashtra. The temperature, which is ranges between 27.7 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius, with an average rainfall about 729.1 millimeter. Geographical information of the geographical formation of the region corresponds to the basalt rock. The vegetation of the region is divided into tropical dry deciduous forests, the open scrub jungles, and vast tract of the grassland, as per the or according to the Champion and Seth in 1968. Previously, the Balaghat ranges are formed a part of old Hyderabad state, which remains separated territory up to 1956. In spite of scattered work done in the Marathwada region with respect to the floristic study of the Balaghat ranges by the form some author, forest flora of Hyderabad state, vegetations of the Idshi forest at Ramling in Maharashtra, the flora of Marathwada, the study of the flora of Ramling, the flora of Usmanabad district, grasses of Marathwada, flora of Ramling, and flora of Marathwada region. Why I have selected this region for the study? Due to that, the botanical exploration in the political unit remains unprogressive. About 804 species have been recorded from 1969 to 2019. Most of the Balaghat ranges are spread in the Beed district, but there have no any authentic floristic database which is published till today. Heavy grazing is the most dominant problem, hence, this area is time to time neglected by the taxonomists and researchers. This flow diagram showing the angiosperms or the flora which is distributed into the Balaghat ranges of Maharashtra. A total number of 1531 flowering plant species have been reported belonging to the 710 genera spread over the 128 families respectively. The all flowering plants in the Balaghat ranges are mainly they are categorized as per the Angiosperm phylogeny group 3 system of nomenclature. This flora, which is mainly distributed or mainly they are the segregated into the anitegrade, monocot, eudicots, monocot, core eudicots, monocotyledons, and monoclymatidae family, etc. This is the pie diagram showing the proportion of the dicotyledonous and monocotyledonous tree species. The dicotyledonous genera, which are having 94.61%, and it is mostly dominant as compared to the monocotyledons, while the monocotyledons are 5.38% of its dominance in the flora of Balaghat ranges of Maharashtra. This is the key, or this is the sample of the key that a type of the or bracketed key of for the family genera and species are mainly prepared during the floristic work or in the flora of Balaghat ranges of Maharashtra. Anthers, two-celled staminodes are present, hence it goes to the Circulus family, while the anthers are one-celled staminodes are absent, then it goes to the two remaining families which are closely related to the Sterculaceae family, while in that closely related species of the Sterculaceae leaves digitate, fruits a woody follicle, then it goes to the Bombycaceae family, while leaves simple, fruits capsular, it goes to the family Malvaceae. This is the example of the key or bracketed key for the Bombycaceae family, and these are the Adansonia, Bombax, and Ciba. These are the genera or genus in the Bombycaceae family. When the staminal column, entire fruits indehiscent and seeds are enclosed in the pulp, then it goes to the that is the genera Adansonia. And while the staminal columns, which are divided into the 5 bundles, fruits dehiscent, seed enclosed in the cotton fibers or wool, then it goes to the that closely related genera of the Adansonia like the Bombax and Ciba. When the stems and branches which are prickly, stamens many, then it goes to the Bombax, and stems and branches unarmed, stamens few, usually 5, then it goes to the Ciba. These are the list of 10 dominant families. Mimosaceae, which is having largest genera of the Mimosaceae, the 36 genus have been reported during the Balaghat ranges. The Cisalpinaceae having 20, Rubiaceae 15, Fabaceae 14, Begoniaceae 13, Moraceae 12, Ericaceae 12, Quamritaceae 9, and Tiliaceae and Apocynaceae both are having 8 genera in the Balaghat ranges. During the floristic survey of Balaghat ranges, we have added or we have collected some species or some plants which are again they are the declared as addition to the flora of Maharashtra state. Sometimes these are the added to the flora of Maharashtra state. Sometimes these are the added to the flora of India. And while some species are collected as a new species or they are published as a new species from the Balaghat ranges of Maharashtra. This is the Acacia concurrens. It is mostly distinct from other phyllid acacias due to it as having the three angled branches, spikes, axillary, and paired flowers, pentamerous, pods, linear, coils up to 6 centimeter long. This is a list of endemic plant species, means those species which are mainly found only in the Maharashtra state in India. During the floristic survey, as I had told already, we have collected some specimen and they are published as a new species from the regions. This is a Crinum solaporens of the family Amaldaceae, a new species from Maharashtra, India, which are published in 2014 in journal Q Bulletin, London. This is a Curculago janardhanami, or this it is published. It is a member of family Hypoxidaceae. It is a new species from Maharashtra, which is published in journal Phytotaxa in 2018. This is a Vigna pandiana, a new species from northern western of Ghats of India. It is published in Biodiversity Data Journal in 2015. While this is Vigna yadvi, a member of the family Leguminaceae. This is a new species of western species which are collected from western Ghats of India, and it is published in 2015 in Biodiversity Data Journal. Both the Vigna species like the Vigna yadvi and Vigna pandiana are closely allied with each other, and they are mainly differs from other genera or other species of the genus Vigna due to its clistogamous flowers. This is a these are that is a paper checklist of the tree flora of Balaghat ranges of Maharashtra, which is published in journal Checklist during the floristic survey, or this is the preliminary work of the Balaghat ranges of the trees. And this is a book which is published in 2015 as on the trees or mainly trees of the Balaghat ranges of Maharashtra or the Ramling Hills of Maharashtra. The Ramling Hills, which is main and which is mostly this is attractive or huge amount of the biodiversity which is seen at the Ramling Hills of the Maharashtra. Hence, we have compiled the list or the full description of the trees from the Balaghat ranges of Maharashtra, India. Thank you.